Now question number 15, an important question. If the vertices A, B, C of a triangle ABC are 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 2 respectively, then find angle ABC. We are given the vertices of triangle ABC and now asked to find out the measure of angle ABC. We have drawn the triangle ABC, and when considering the angle ABC, we have to consider the angle between the vectors BA and the BC and not between AB and BC. When considering the angle between two vectors, those vectors must be either diverging from a point or converging to a point. Therefore, we must take vector BA and vector BC for considering the angle theta. Theta is the angle between those two vectors. Therefore, we shall calculate what is vector BA. Vector BA, this is A, this one B, and this BA. Therefore, 1 minus 1, 2 I cap plus 2 minus 0, 2 j cap plus 3 minus 0, 3 k cap. That is vector BA. And vector BC is 0 minus 1, that is 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. Now vector BA and vector BC are written. Now we can find the dot product of vector BA and vector BC. That is A1, A2, that is 2 into 1 plus B1, B2, 2 into 1 plus C1, C2, 3 into 2, that is 2 plus 2 plus 6, that is 10. A dot B is calculated to be 10. And the modulus of BA, that is square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is root 17. And modulus of BC, that is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, that is root 6. Now, we know A dot B is equal to 10 and modulus A and modulus B are root 17 and root 6 respectively. Then cos theta will be A dot B by modulus A into modulus B. Similarly, in this case, BA dot BC divided by modulus BA by, BA dot BC divided by modulus BA into modulus BC will be cos theta. If this angle is accounted to be theta, cos theta will be so much. That is 10 by square root of 17 into square root of 6. That is 10 by square root of 102. Therefore, required angle is equal to cos inverse 10 by square root of 102. That is angle ABC. We are asked to find out angle ABC is equal to cosine inverse of 10 by square root of 102. Cosine inverse 10 by square root of 102 will give the angle B, ABC. Right.